Hello guys, welcome back to Cho 2025. Have you ever needed to separate the vocals from a song to make an AI cover, a karaoke track, or just to get an instrumental? Forget using a clunky website or other complex software. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it all right inside ComfyUI using the incredibly powerful MelBandRoFormer node. This is a game changer, and it's so simple that even a total beginner can do it in minutes. I'll show you exactly how to install and use this amazing node, and you'll see a real-time demonstration of its speed and quality. The first thing you need is the custom node itself. It's called ComfyUI-MelBandRoFormer, and it's from the developer Kijay. The easiest way to install it is through the ComfyUI Manager. Go to the Manager, select Install Custom Nodes, and in the search bar, type MelBandRoFormer. You'll see that Kijay node in the list. Simply click Install, and the Manager will install it for you. Once it's done, it will ask you to restart. Just click Wes. Next, you need the model file that powers the node. The link is in the video description, and it will take you to the Hugging Face page. You'll see two versions, FP16 and FP32. You can use either, but for this video, I'm using the FP16 version. Download the file and save it in your ComfyUI model folder, specifically in ComfyUI/models/diffusion models. This is the default location. If you use other location for your diffusion model, save it there. Now, let's build the workflow. First, add a MelBandRoFormer model loader node. Next, add a MelBandRoFormer sampler node. Lastly, add a load audio node. Connect the output of the model loader to the sampler's model input. Connect the load audio output to the sampler's audio input. In model loader node, make sure to select the MelBandRoFormer model you just downloaded. And in load audio, make sure to upload or select the song you want to split. To see the results, add two preview audio nodes. Connect the sampler's vocal output to the first preview and the instrument output to the second. Ready? Let's run it. I'm going to use this 32-second song as an example.
That subscribe button. Stay in this moment. Let's have some fun together. You're the vibe tonight. We're dancing so free. Join me on this ride. Love what you see. Subscribe, channel 2025.
Now, watch how fast it works. The process took only 26 seconds on my machine. Now listen to the quality of the separate tracks.
Oh, take the chance. Hit that subscribe button. Stay in this moment. Let's have some fun together. You're the vibe tonight. We're dancing so free. Join me on this ride. Love what you see. Subscribe, channel 2025.
quality is fantastic. The separation is clean, and there's a world of possibilities with this. You can use this to remove copyrighted music from your commentary videos. Create your own karaoke versions of songs. Prepare audio for an AI voice changer or an AI singing video project, or just to have the raw instrumental track for your own use. All of these examples were processed using my NVIDIA RTX 4060Ti 16GB VRAM, so you can get an idea of the performance you can expect. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this was a simple and useful tutorial. If it was, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. See you again on the next episode. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day!